How to sign into Argos Credit Card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can sign in into Argos Credit Card online. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the browser of your preferred choice and in the search bar, type in Argos Credit Card. Once you're here, navigate to the first link from the search results. That's gonna land you to their official website. After that, head towards the top right corner. There is an account option. Click on it. That will take you to the login page. In order to log in, you have to enter your login credentials. First of all, enter the email address associated with your account. Under that, you have to enter the correct password, which is associated with your account again. Once you're done, all you have to do is click on sign in securely. If you have entered your correct login credential, you will be logged in into your account directly. But in case if you forgot your password, there is a link right here that says forget password. All you have to do is click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. After that, you can re-log in. So in this way, you can log in into the Argos Credit Card online, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.